Are you struggling with your parents? Is communicating with them becoming increasingly difficult? Is it hampering your daily happiness and peace of mind? Then astrology can offer you valuable insight. In astrology, your fourth house represents your home and your mother, whereas your 10th house represents your father. So, if you look at these two houses, you can get an idea of their basic nature and the way they will nurture you. The lord of these two houses can tell you the kind of relationship you are going to have with them or the way they are going to nurture you and look after you. Whereas if their plan is deposited in these houses, that will give additional complexities to their personality. So if you look at the lord, if the lord is negatively placed, that is if it is placed behind the house, if it is placed in 6th, 8th or 12th house, in that case it can have a negative impact in your life. Or if there is a bad combination in these two houses, that is the 4th and the 10th house, for example Shani and Rahu are together, or Moon and Ketu are together, or Sun and Moon are together, then in that case you can say that your relationship with your parents are not going to be good, or they are not going to be supportive towards you when you need them the most. In that case, what you can do, first and the foremost thing, you need to understand that your relationship with your parents are the most important karmic connection that you come down with. So this is something that you have to go through, you have to learn your life lessons. So you have to first of all accept their basic nature. Try to find ways to communicate with them while accepting them in a positive attitude. Secondly, if you know which planet is disturbing you, then doing remedies of those planets can open doors to improving your relationship with them. So keep doing these two things can greatly benefit you. Find ways to communicate, understanding their basic nature, and do the planetary remedies. I hope it helps you improve your relationship.